Now we have drawn the top view using our front view, which is inclined or tilted. Now we need to find the left view. They can either ask you for the left view or a right view. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to get the right view, rather the left view. So, simple again. We deal with horizontal and vertical. Horizontal means these top view points must go to 45 degrees. That point 1 and 3 will go to 45 degrees. The point of 2 there will go to 45 degree line. Alright, so all these points 1, 2, 3, 4 are now on the 45 degree line. What do you do then? Then we take them where we're going to draw our left view. Then we project these points to where we're going to draw our left view. Now, all I need to do is to match these numbers. Now, for your own sake, I'm going to record these numbers here so that we can see them. This is number 4. So this is 1 and 3, and this will be number 2. So now what I need to do now, I need to match these numbers using my front view. So project horizontally. Number 1, let's start there. Number 1 is already there. Number 2 and 4 are both on the same position. So I bring number, this 2 there, and it's 4 there. Alright, so I can say that's number 4 and that's number 2. Alright, then I bring number 3. That's number 3. Now number 3 is right there at the center. That's number 3. Now what have I done? I looked at the base, which is this bottom base. Number 3, number 2 and 4 and number 1. They're all matching there. Alright, then I say now, using the method of, or the principle of projection using the first angle orthographic projection, if that is a direction I'm looking at this object, I want to know what is it that I will see. Then it means I will see the entire base here, this bottom base, number 1, number 2 and number 3. That's what it simply means, because I'm facing towards that direction where my pencil is facing, so I see everything there. Right, so it means then this base, I need to join it dark from number 1 go to number 2 dark. From number 2 it must go to number 3, that's dark. From number 3 it goes to number 4, and that's dark. Then from number 4 it goes back to number 1, and that is dark. So now that you've done the bottom base, now let us find the top base, and the top base is this base that I'm talking about here. So now looking at this point here, 1 is at the same position as 3, so I can write there number 1. Now I bring in number 2 and 4, number 2 there and number 4 there. Label this, that's 4, that's number 2. Then number 3, obviously it will be in the middle, that is number 3. That's number 3. Now, based on what we are saying, looking at that direction, that is still the direction I am using. That's the direction that I'm using. So if I'm looking at this direction here to get my left view, I can see from 3 to 3. So what I need to do now, I've got to make from 3 to 3, draw it dark. Now, obviously, as you can see, number 4 and number 2, they are lying outside. It's a guarantee that I need to see these 2 points from 2 to number 2 and from 4 to number 4, it being the outside part of it. All right, now it means from 3 to 4 I should be able to see. From 3 to number 2, I should be able to see. That is why then you make this line dark. You draw that dark and you draw that dark. That's what you see as dark. Now, can I see from 4 to number 1? Can I see from 2 to number 1? Remember, this has been tilted away from you. So this is going away. So you see this base which is closer to you, bottom base, but that base is further away. So it means from 4 to 1, I should show hidden details. From 1 to number 2, which I don't see, we should have hidden details. So that's what it looks like. Now, I have 1 to 1, like what we did on the top view. This direction, 1 is right underneath. I cannot see because this number 3 is on top. So I need to make 1 to number 1 hidden detail. Now, this is your left view, what it looks like. So, now, it's either they ask you for the left view or for the right or a right view. So that's a direction that you will be using in case they ask you for the right view. But we use the same principle on how to get our left view. Thank you.